Hey, really excited about this. Just got this cordless electric 8-in-1 cleaning brush. It has 8 different cleaning heads on it. I'm gonna open it up, show you what's inside. All right, so this is everything that comes in the box. It comes with this extendable pole. So you can just push this forward. It extends out very easily. Let go, it locks into place. That's very nice. As I mentioned, there's 8 different cleaning heads. You have them all right here. They serve a variety of different purposes. It also comes with this nice drawstring mesh bag that you can place all of your brush heads in for easy storage. So let's get this thing charged up and show you how it works. I don't know if you have any problems with soap scum and things like that on your shower tile, but we're going to use this brush and see how it works. First step is to pick a bathroom cleaner of your choice. Really easy to turn on. There's a button right here. It's going to have 3 different power settings, a low, medium, and high. Where you can see a clear difference from about here over where I've worked. That side, obviously I have not yet. I gave this thing a pretty tall task. I'm glad it comes with a lot of different heads. I actually had to put this scouring pad one on here. I just let the soap scum build up too much in here, but having a lot of different options with the scrubbing brush heads makes a big difference. And as you can see here, this tub could actually use a pretty good cleaning. I'm going to put the rounded brush top on. It helps get into those crevices of the tub. Right there is where I cleaned this area. This area is not clean. You can see a clear difference. Look at that tub sparkle and shine. Over the years, I've tried a lot of different things. I've scrubbed this with all different types of brushes, sponges, things like that. It's always been, for some strange reason, the most difficult tub to get to look clean. This from YKYI, this power brush, it did the job in just a few minutes. I really like it. All right, let's see what it can do with this soap scum. Can't really reach the little corners there, so luckily it comes with this one here made for reaching in corners. Makes it so much easier with this type of brush head on, and it really makes a big difference. Now I'm going to attach the window cleaning one so I can get all of this soap scum right here off of this window. Oh, that looks nice. I haven't been able to get that soap scum off of there at all. Much better look.